Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Sun is going down here in Houston, Texas, and today's project after cutting down tree limbs is I've got a generator being delivered tomorrow, whole home 26K dub Generac, and I need a way to grab it from FedEx when they drop it off at the curb. They'll just be using one of those lift gates or whatever they call those on the back of the FedEx trucks to drop the 550-pound behemoth plus pallet weight, boxing weight, extra parts weight down to the ground. So my initial thought is just take a couple of these, the bigger Harbor Freight Tools dollies, strap those together with some 2x6s, and then strap these guys together with either 2x6s or 2x4s, maybe even do a second layer just this way to support that pallet basically across the berth of this, and let this whole thing just kind of cruise down the driveway into the garage. I'll be housing the generator here for a couple weeks in the garage before we actually get to that project, so this seems like a decent way to transport. We will find out tomorrow if it doesn't break. So these deck screws that I'm using, just some leftovers that I've got here. They're 3-inch, and it's just a little bit too long, and it ends up going through the bottom there. So if you put it at a little bit of an angle, that takes up the extra slack, and it seems like they are not punching through the bottom at all. So that worked pretty good. There you go. So far we got one big Harbor Freight Tools roller skate. All right, and now we have a skateboard trapped underneath another skateboard. So all I need to do is basically scab a little board in between there and connect this middle one to the outside ones, and we are one solid piece. Really don't even need to do that. Might even be better if I don't. No. And that, my friends, is the first generator skateboard ever built. That was exciting. The end.